Guys, welcome to Eric Auto Center. Today I'm going to show you how to reset airbag light on Ford Focus 2012 without a scan tool. So I'm going to show you most common fault that always bring airbag light to stay or blinking when the car is in motion. So if you know you have work on the airbag system, there is no need for you to use a scan tool. Kindly check the connectors and then fix it back. And if you know there is a fault in it, unless you use a scan tool, but most common fault that brings airbag light to blink on the screen is the seatbelt sensor. This is more important, so check it out anytime, because most of people driving without seatbelt, and when a seatbelt indicator light start blinking, it works automatically direct to the airbag system in case of emergency or a crash. So automatically the airbag system will detect that the seat belt is not being fastened, and the light will appear on the screen. So make sure when you are driving, you have to fasten your seat belt, and don't fasten the seat belt without, hooking it. Some people fasten the seat belt and leave it at the back while driving. This will not link to the airbag system, and automatically the light will generate on the screen for you to know that there is an error in the system. So take note about it, and no, don't repeat these mistakes again. Make sure you always fasten your seatbelt when driving. So you can check the fuse box, and if the fuse box is brown, you place it, or the connectors in the engine. One is at the left and one is at the right behind the headlight. Just check if the connectors are not okay. You just connect it back and you are good to go. The system will automatically reset it, and there is no need for you to use a scan tool. But if there is a fault in the system, you have to use a scan tool to show you what to do next. So let's check it out. Guys, so this is a Ford Focus 2012, and the airbag light stays on, so we are going to figure out what is wrong with the system. But we are not going to use a scan tool. If you know you have work on your airbag light, there's no need for you to use a scan tool. So that you can go to the right point directory and start checking whether you have left some circuit or mistakenly you didn't plug anything. So let me start it. The airbag light stays on, it's off, and it's on again. So let's focus only on the airbag. Okay, so you can see it stays on, and that means there is an error in the system, and most of times the airbag light is not working well. That means there is fault in the system. And most common fault that happen to this airbag, one of them is the seatbelt sensor. If the seatbelt sensor is not connected well, it will left the airbag light to reflect on. So the seatbelt light is connected, and you can also check the underneath socket, whether the passenger side or the driver side, and know that if it has been connected successfully. So let's go to the engine side and check it out. What is the problem with the connectors? So guys, this is the hook, and I have opened it. So the airbag light sensors, one is connected here and one is connected at this side. So this is the connector, as you can see here. This is the connector. So you can see the socket is not being connected. There is no socket connected to the airbag light. That means automatically the light will stay on. Let's check the other side if it is connected, and the other side too sensor is not connected, which is located here. So someone's work on this car and refuse to connect the sensor socket, so it has triggered the system, and this could be dangerous because when there is an accident, you may not able to escape from the airbag, and it will be dangerous for you to survive. So this is supposed to be a full electrical point.